Now let's explore Edit View. Now the first thing to note here is that Edit View, the view we're looking at the minute on screen, is a destructive editing environment. And that means that changes you make and save in this view are permanent. While you're in active editing mode, you've access to 99 levels of linear undo. What this means is you can roll back your changes step by step with each press of the undo button. You'll find the undo button here on the main toolbar. You can also use the hotkey Control and Z. Bear in mind as well that more files open in the background with unsaved edits, with that little asterisk that we see in the organizer window next to the AGS Pacino clip, means that more undo information is being saved in the background. This is fine on really powerful computers, but it can be really risky as well because one glitch could see you lose that editing progress. So try not to have like 10 files open with 40 edits active on each unsaved. You might be asking for trouble. So the message here is to update and save your edits when you can. When you're certain the changes you've made can be permanent, double click on the file to make it active and Control and S to save the active file. So let's take a quick look at the Edit View. Now Edit View shows a standard menu bar on top, which is very similar to a lot of Windows programs. There are various shortcut toolbars underneath, an organizer window on the left-hand side where you can see which files are open, and the main edit window, which allows visual editing of your audio. Note how the first few menus in Edit View are very similar to that of most Windows software. You File, Edit, and View. The File menu allows you to open new or existing files, save, save as, or save a copy of certain audio files. The Edit menu contains the cut, copy, paste, trim, and change sample rate commands that we might need. The View menu allows you to see more or less toolbars and a number of other views such as spectral editing view and zoom controls. The Effects menu is a little different. You'll only find this in audio editing programs, and there are a number of sub-menus in there. Amplitude, delay, filters, noise reduction, and so on. You can access a multiple of effects and utilities here to improve the sound of your audio, and we'll look at a few of these very soon. The Favorites menu can be customized to show your most used features. The Options menu allows you to configure and customize the look and feel of Audition, how it behaves in recording, playback, editing, and saving your work, and we looked at this in video 2 with the Windows Recording Mixer, Settings, Device Properties, and Device Order. There's also very useful keyboard shortcuts and MIDI triggers function here, where you can program in your own customized keyboard shortcuts and hotkeys for certain functions in Audition. It's really useful. Bottom left of the screen, your transport and zoom controls. Now these controls were used in a time when the computer mouse didn't have that little scroll wheel on top, so these are largely unnecessary today. These are now controlled by a combination of hotkeys, shortcuts, mouse scroll wheel, and right and left mouse clicks. So now we've got a handle on what Edit View is about, let's get editing. And we'll do that in the next video.